Alright, Assalamualaikum. I am Syed Jamal Sadiq from Group 6 for SEEL4213. So, first thing we need to do for this video is that we will be creating a Git repo on our local machine, and we will be updating our GitHub server through the terminal itself. So, let's begin now. First off, I've already made the first list of commands, which is git initial group 6 over here, and it has shown that we have initialized already. So we're going to go change our directory to group 6. Next, we're going to create our readme file. So we're just going to use our nano function. Alright, so let's write something simple. This is go. So let's save and exit. And now we're going to add our readme file to the Git local server. So, and it's done. So let's commit our changes. And oops, give me a second. Let's try that again. So we're going to commit, and there you go, we have 4 insertions. Great. Now we're going to check our logs. So as you can see here, this is our initial log. Next, we're going to make our repository here in GitHub. So it's going to be group 6. So it's available, excellent, make sure it's public, and then we'll create our repository. Now, since we need to connect this, so we'll be copy pasting the link over here and put it over here. So, oops, give me a second. Alright, there you go. So next we'll be pushing the file to the GitHub server. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Let's try the SSH mode this time. So remote origin already exists. So interesting. Now this is an error in which it did not detect the public key, even though I've already pasted it here. So what it should happen, assuming that it has gone well, is that it will provide a few logs stating that it has already updated and enumerated. And when you head back to the repository, in this case it's group 6, it will show the readme file in the repository itself, and you can open it and check its contents and so on and so forth. So that's how you update the repo, which unfortunately in my case is a failure. But I hope that this is somewhat beneficial and educating. So thanks so much.
Hello everyone. My name is Nodratul Hikmah from group Blistering Basilisks, and this video is about Linux and GitHub account. So this is the Linux that I already installed by using Oracle VM VirtualBox. So the file, the Linux command that I know is first is ls. This is to list the file and directories, and the next is nano hello.txt. So basically this is to create a hello.txt file, or we can change the content of the file by using nano, and then we can save by click Ctrl X and Y, and then check the ls whether the hello.txt is already created in the file, and then we can create like a directory called hey. So this is the blue one to declare this directory, and then we can copy the hello.txt into the hey directories. So we can change directory to hey to check whether it already exists. So yeah, it exists in the hey directories. We can remove the hello files, hello.txt file by using rm hello.txt, and here you can see that it's already gone. And then we can remove the hey file by using the rmdir hey to remove the file. Actually, sorry, rmdir hey. So you can see that there is no longer hey directory exists in the storage. So I think you can also remove hello.txt in the storage by click rm hello.txt, and then we also can use ls.l, and then you can see that the name is for execute file directory, and then this is actually the permission to the files, the directories. And here is my GitHub account. My username is Durapol. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening.